Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning is revolutionizing nearly all industries, including healthcare. From development of drugs and vaccines to improving medical diagnosis and treatment, technology is a game changer, lowering costs and improving efficiency. And as the global health ecosystem rapidly evolves, Jamaica is taking on a proactive role.
The world is moving in that direction. Incorporation of AI is becoming a big thing, and so it becomes very relevant to what we see here in Jamaica.
At the University of the West Indies UWI Mona campus, Ricardo Harrison, who is in his final year as an engineering student, developed a prototype to detect diabetic retinopathy using artificial intelligence AI-powered computer vision. The project was guided by proposers from the University of Leeds in the United Kingdom, Gerardo Loza and Nikita Greenidge, and supervised by Head of Biomedical Engineering at UWI Mona, Sasha Gay Wright.
Within the Faculty of Engineering, in their final year, all of our students are required to do what is called a capstone project. So this is a year-long project where students try to create a prototype or create a solution to a need that exists. Now, in order to get these capstone projects, we'll either propose them as lectures, or we'll invite persons from society, persons from industry, as well as persons within the academic space, such as our collaborators. So this particular project was a proposal made by the University of Leeds, and we gave it out to the students, and Ricardo chose it.
Diabetic retinopathy (DR) is a complication of diabetes affecting the eyes and is a leading cause of blindness among working-age adults and a major cause of vision loss worldwide for people aged 30 to 64 years. Integrating AI as part of the diagnostic tools is significant for early detection and prompt intervention to mitigate the risk of vision loss and prevent visual impairment in over 90% of DR cases.
The whole purpose of this project is to create a system that is able to capture a photo of the retina, and from that photo the system is able to view different or process different parts of the image to tell whether or not it's severe, proliferative, moderate, mild, or healthy eye.
The innovative solution is intended to provide an alternative for low-resource hospitals, where typical diagnostic machines are large, expensive, and unportable. It's a model that improves on existing solutions by offering a lightweight, locally deployable system with a user-friendly interface designed for non-specialist healthcare workers. And it's a model Harrison believes can benefit many persons in Jamaica and the Caribbean, where access is limited.
There has been many others out there, but they use different deep learning techniques. Mine specifically use ResNet 152 version 2, and with that it has very deep layers, and due to the complexity of these diabetic retinopathy images and the subtle details between them, I would need a model such as that to be able to distinguish effectively between those. So I use a 20D lens, and the 20D lens zooms in onto the back of the retina 3.3 times, and I use a smartphone to capture the photo that is shown in front of the lens. And from that photo, I then upload it to Google. So I hosted a model on Google, which after the photo is uploaded, the model processes the photo, looks for subtle details within the image to say, hey, this shows signs of an healthy eye or diabetic retinopathy, and with that it sends it back to the app and displays it on the phone.
To further support diabetic healthcare, the system also includes a patient monitoring feature that tracks vitals such as heart rate, blood pressure, body temperature, and oxygen level, providing a more comprehensive patient health assessment.
To measure the blood pressure, you need to go to this page here. As you can see, it says the status is connected, meaning it's connected to this device here.
The challenge to build out the model was a first for Harrison, but one which he prides on his own drive to conquer every challenge and provide a solution to a problem.
I've never really taken on any project that involved AI before, and from my perspective, I like a good challenge. I had the help of my supervisors and my lecturers. Along with that, I had a data set from Kaggle which I used to train the model. The road was tough and it was pretty tiresome, but with the support of my peers, I was able to effectively complete the project.
Based on the performance of the entire system, this young, bright Jamaican is hoping to have his new diagnostic machine integrated in the clinical setting, which will reduce the money spent on expensive devices, benefiting the public.
Within the Caribbean, there tend to be not enough of these devices to aid in diabetic retinopathy detection. So my project is really aimed at creating something that's cost-effective and easily integratable, and makes the whole process easier for the healthcare professionals. It's at 78% ready for integration in hospitals. And I'm very interested in seeking more opportunities or more support in bringing it further and possibly increasing its current percentage integration. Hopefully with external support and a more effective and good quality camera, I'll be able to at least achieve 95% for integration.
The amount of sugar persons consume tend to affect their vision later in life, and while moderation is urged in consumption, early eye checks is critical to avoid the unfortunate socioeconomic burden associated with diabetes and its optical complications.
There isn't a tendency for these persons to go by the hospital to say, hey, I need to check to see if I have diabetic retinopathy. A lot of them don't even know what diabetic retinopathy is. So I think with the inclusion of this device into hospitals, it will bring more awareness.
As the innovative minds of our youth continue to sprout in key areas of development, Jamaica, through institutions such as our universities, is cementing a bright future where AI and machine learning is set to transform healthcare and contribute to better patient outcomes in an economically sustainable way.